What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on EH stock. First of all, brief information about this company. EHang Holdings Ltd operates as an autonomous aerial vehicle technology platform company. It engages in designing, developing, manufacturing, selling and operating AAVs and their supporting systems and infrastructure for a broad range of industries and applications, including passenger transportation, logistics, smart city management and aerial media solutions. Let me show you their financials. For now, their total market cap is $2.72 billion. They have a revenue of $26.54 million with a net income of negative $5.94 million. Their total cash is $35.71 million with a total debt of $2.21 million. And the current ratio is very good, is 3.05. And this is the result of Q3 2020 report. And here is this report, and I just want to quote you Mr. Huazhi Hu, EHang founder and chairman and chief executive officer. And he commented, in the third quarter we had significant growth in revenues and gross profit, both year over the year and quarter over the quarter. Notably, we have attained a positive quarterly operation profitability on an adjusted basis again since last time in the fourth quarter of 2019. This reflects our improving business operation despite the impact of COVID-19 around the world. He continued, we are excited by the launch of two new products based on the cutting-edge EH216 passenger-grade AAV technology platform, the EH216F and the EH216L are designed to meet strong market demand for high-rise firefighting solutions and heavy-lift aerial logistics solutions. Both are expected to drive revenue growth in the year to come. With increasing demand and stronger government emphasis on supporting the development of urban air mobility and unmanned civil aviation in China, we have started to ramp up our production capacity with the new facility in Yunfu. This is an important step forward as we get ourselves ready for the next phase of growth. And they have huge plans for their future. They have enough commitment to make this kind of transportation in future. And we have negative news about this company. It was published on Yahoo Finance just a couple of hours ago on March 2021. And it says EH stock. Berger Montag investigates alleged securities fraud claims against the EHang Holdings Ltd. Lead plaintiff deadline is April 19, 2021. And it says, accordingly to recently filed lawsuits throughout the class period, the company and its senior management misrepresented and concealed that EHang's purported regulatory approvals in Europe and North America for its EH2016 autonomous aerial vehicle were for use as a drone, not for carrying passengers. The company's relationships with its primary customer Kungxiang was a sham. EHang has only collected on a fraction on its reported sales since its ADS began being publicly traded. And the company's manufacturing facilities were practically empty and lacked evidence of any significant manufacturing. And all these bad things was made after investors allegedly learned the truth on February 16, 2021, when analyst Wolfpack Research published a scathing report contending that the company had entered into sham transactions, exaggerated revenues by reporting sales for which it cannot collect, and misrepresented its regulatory approvals, misleadingly suggesting the company has commercial approval for its products. And as you can see on this news, the price of EHang shares dropped $77.79 per share, or 72.7% in a single trading day, falling from the closing price of $124.09 per share on February 12 to $46.3 on February 16th. And here is this huge decline in price, as you can see, for more than 60%, and from the top to the bottom it dropped for more than 78%. But in my opinion, we have to have strong evidence of these facts. And as you can see on their website, during the mid and late February, they have several news that they respond to deceptive World Park research report, and they have a bunch of news that related to their production, related to their company. And I think we have to be extremely cautious with investing in this company, but it is still, in my opinion, it is a still viable company. Think of it like this. We saw exactly the same investigation with the NIO company, and as you might see, NIO is a great Chinese company. Just recently we saw exactly the same investigation with the Mara, with Riot, and with the SOS companies. It's very easy to make this investigation for the company that is located in China, and that might not have the best accuracy in their financials. But nevertheless, it is just a Chinese manner of making their business, and that's why I think this company might be absolutely 100% legit, but you have to be extremely cautious anyway, because we have a huge volatility. So on top of all this information, let me show you that we might have an earnings report on March 23rd, 2021 in just several days, and we are on nasdaq.com, and it says EHang Holdings Ltd is estimated to report earnings on March the 23rd, 2021. The upcoming earnings date is derived from an algorithm based on the company's historical reporting dates. And it is not 100% guaranteed, because we don't have any information on a trading view, as you can see here, but nevertheless we might see this report anytime soon. And let me show you their latest news. It was published on March 16th, and in my opinion it is a very good news for the company. And it says EHang partners with Giancarlo Zema Design Group to build eco-sustainable vertiport in Italy. And as you can see, it was published on March 16th. It says the EHang company, the world's leading autonomous aerial vehicle technology platform company, today announced to partner with an Italian architecture firm, Giancarlo Zema Design Group, to extend its air mobility solutions in the European Union. With EHang's passenger-grade AAV technologies and air mobility solution, GZDG has designed and will build an eco-sustainable vertiport in Italy. The vertiport will use green design and construction materials and can generate energy to recharge the EH216 passenger-grade AAVs. Vertiport will play a significant role in the urban air mobility market and the new era of flight. When integrated into existing transportation infrastructure, vertiports can serve as aerial hubs for tourists. And as you can see, it's very interesting technology. So it's some kind of mushroom with a flat top, and we have 3 landing marks on the top with some kind of elevator in the middle. And here is the top view of this vertiport, and in my opinion it's very good news. On top of that, to prove that this is the real news, we are on Giancarlo Zema website, as you can see, and on the same date, on March the 16th, we have absolutely the same news. And I think it's another proof that EHang is a legit company. So before we start our technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. In this case, you won't miss my next video. Well, from the technical standpoint, we have this weird structure. We are on log scale on daily time frame, and let me show you my Elliott wave breakdown. Here was our first wave from the bottom, and here is the second one. And we have failed fifth wave, and in my opinion, this drop was significant, but it's not so crucial for the company. And here is the greater scale, and in my opinion, we have a retracement for the fourth wave. And this retracement might be a new lowest point for the company before we will see new all-time highs. So let's see what do we have on with the Fib retracement. So I pull the Fibonacci retracement from the bottom of this structure to the top of this structure, as you can see, and we've already walked through all the levels, and for now we hover in the middle of the bottom of this structure and the level of 0.786. It's not so good from the technical standpoint, and it might show us some signs of bearishness of this asset. But nevertheless, we have this spike in volume. As you can see, we can compare it with this structure, this initial structure, or at the end of November, and this might indicates that it is a pivot point, and from this point we might go up. So if you want to invest in this company and you understand all the risk involving in this type of investment, you can add your position right here at 0.786 level, and as low as this pivot. Let me show it to you more precisely. So this is the first wave, and this is the top of the first wave, and as long as price action is higher than this level, we 100% legit with the entirely bullishness of this asset. If we break this level, it is 25.51 around this price mark. If the asset breaks this level, we might see lower lows, and from this point we might not see any highs in any time soon. So until we stay above this level, it's still bullish, and it's very good discount for this company, and especially if you understand all the disruptiveness of this company, of their technologies. And this discount of about 65% is very good for you as an investor, and this means you can add your position right here, and even at the lowest point you can add your position by laddering your buys down. So this might be your next level, this might be your next level, and even at the bottom of this previous pivot point might be your next level of buys. So with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and hit the like button. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!